having a speech.
Oh, speech, Berber, speech. Turuan niyo yung mag-blow ng candles. Blow your candles, Berber. Say, tita.
Tita. Say tita. 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 Tintin.
O, tintin na lang. Tintin.
in Philippines.
Ha?
You wanna watch Tintin with me?
Showing ba dito? Sige, nood tayo.
Yay!
Hindi ko alam kung showing dito. Adventures of Tintin. Actually, Bea French yun eh. The Adventures of Tantan.
No, Tintin.
No, pero French yun. French ang original nun eh. It's from a Belgian...
We have a big book of that in my we have a comic book of that at my Picasso.
Oh, diba? French siya.
The
Belgian yun eh.
yeah. The Tintin. I forgot what it's called.
The Adventures of Amelie.
Hey, Tita. Tita, do you know like cock-a-doodle-doo in English? Like cock-a-doodle-doo for a rooster? What is it for Tagalog?
Hindi ko alam. Kokoroko.
Tilaok.
Kokoroko.
Kain ng manok. Ay, di ba tilaok?
Tama, titilaok.
Because,
Titilaok. Tain ng manok. Ay, sunod doon.
Kain ng manok. Tilaok, kain ng manok.
Tapos,